Hey everyone, it's Messiah29 and today I'm going to show you how to restore all of your double XP tokens that were recently locked out for this upcoming patch. Now, on the main Call of Duty multiplayer screen, if you press L3, you can see that they are all locked. And yeah, I had so many. Now I'm back to 0. So to do this, you are going to go back to the main screen. You're going to go to Warzone and you are going to select Battle Royale, Trios or Duos, doesn't matter. And once you press L3 again, there you go. All of your double XP tokens are now restored and you can activate them to play in the main game. As you can see, I have 57 minutes remaining. So if you like this video, rate, comment, subscribe, and please share this video. Have a great day. See you online.